While Alice might have been confused as to which way she ought to go in Wonderland, we've got your back with the perfect student housing spot right in the heart of San Francisco. Introducing North Beach Residences, 371 Columbus, your ticket to an exceptional academic experience. Take your pick from a range of tastefully designed units ranging from double occupancy shared rooms to ensuite and non-ensuite private rooms. Each room is thoughtfully designed with a comfy bed, nifty storage cubbies, and spacious closets for all your gear. And guess what? You also get a heater, mirror, vanity, and a fridge to make your stay super convenient. That's not all. The common area lets you unwind and socialize with fellow residents after a long day at the uni. Plus, the super-fast Wi-Fi ensures your academic and entertainment pursuits remain unhampered and lightning swift. When it's time to hit the books, you're in further luck with Hult International Business School is just a 10-minute hop away, and the University of San Francisco is a quick 15-minute ride. Plus, being at North Beach Residences means you're perfectly close to stunning beaches, tasty dining spots, and lively nightclubs, making your stay truly unforgettable. With bus stations and travel terminals nearby, commuting will be the least of your worries. So are you ready to grab the best of what the Golden City has to offer? Head to amberstudent.com now and lock in your spot at North Beach Residences, 371 Columbus today.